Hi everyone. If your Adobe Acrobat hangs or freezes when you try to apply redactions, don't worry, I have got a simple fix that works in most cases. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat. Now go to the top menu. Click and go to Preferences. In the left sidebar, scroll down and select Language. You will see section called Application Language. Here are the options you will find. English, choose Add Application Startup, same as the operating system. Now select English instead of same as operating system. Click OK to save the changes. Close Adobe Acrobat completely and then reopen it. When the Acrobat restarts, it should now run in English. Try using the Redact tool again. The freezing and hanging issue should be gone. If this helped you, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Adobe fixes and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.